Hello, welcome back to Spotaria channels here. Today in this video, I'm going to show you a tutorial how to change icon application shapes on Motorola G06 Power. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button below to support this channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first here, of course, you just have to open the settings first. And now in this settings page, you just have to go to this display option. Now tap on it. And then in this display page, you just have to scroll it down again until you'll find here the icon shape. To change it, you just have to go it first. And now this is the icon shapes that you can use, guys. And to change it, you just have to pick one. For example, I'm gonna use this square one here, guys. So if you want to save it and if you want to use it, you just have to tap on this save button at the bottom. And yeah, we'll see the result. This is the result, you guys. The icon application shapes on my phone is already changed to the square. So yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.